Hi, this is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today we're doing a mountain sunset. Okay, let's talk a few minutes about my colors. Starting with, this is Amsterdam Titanium Buff. This is Golden Teal. This is Golden Prussian Blue Hue. And this is Atelier Interactive Black Blue, otherwise known as Indigo. In the cup, that is the Titanium Buff. That's the Teal. That is the Prussian Blue. And that is the Blue Black. Over the other side over here, starting from this side, this is Naples Yellow. This is Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold. This is Quinacridone Violet. And this is Americana, DecoArte Americana in Lavender. So it'll be interesting to see how that last one works. It's my first time with it. And so there is the Naples Yellow, Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold, Quinacridone Violet, and the Lavender. See, what I'm trying to create here is a sunset sky. It's the first part of this project that I'll be working with. What I've done is I've gone ahead and filled up 4 cups with the stratified colors for the sunset, starting with the blues on the top down to the oranges and the reds on the bottom. With the oranges and red being the sunset itself. Spread them out with my palette knife and see if I can pour some of this off. Now, this is the technique that's generally done with much thinner paints. And so doing this is a bit of an experiment for me. What I'm putting down now is Sherwin-Williams Color to Go Anchors Away. It's a deep blue. What I'm doing here is I'm putting down pillow paint and a color layer. What I'm going to do with this color layer, after I swipe it through and get some cells going, I'm going to transfer this over to the piece, and with the hopes of turning it into a mountainscape. And as I said, this is a grand experiment for me. We'll see how it comes out at the end. I'm showing the layering of the colors, and as they come through, these are colors I had on my bench, and it's also the colors that I used for the sunset. So I'm just trying to create that mountain view with the blue being the background. Spun it out, waiting for cells to develop. I said I didn't have enough cells, so I've okay, just see if I can add a few more. Okay, now it's the scoop and drag. Actually, this is a transfer swipe. Okay, that on to my second layer to transfer over. I didn't do all of it because you saw it the first time, and I'm just going to repeat the process. I'm trying to create peaks and valleys. Try to create some depth with this. As you can tell, this video is sped up quite a bit. Here's the third of the transfer layer that I over on the side. And I'll spin this out and we'll add that to the bottom. This will be the last of my transfer swipes that will happen here. But as I said, this is sped up quite a bit. I mean, quite a bit. This piece took well over an hour. It's actually closer to 2 hours to put together. And it has more work that I need to do to it after the fact. I think I need to go in and do some hand paint and some details and some modifications. And it's about time to spin this out. This took quite a bit of time to spin, so I'm not going to show all of it, but it was a lot of paint on the canvas that needed to be moved off. And I think it's about time to take you over for a flyover. You can see the details here. And you can see where the swipes, the transfer swipes, gave you a lot of interest and motion. As I told you at the beginning, this is a bit of an experiment for me. I'm seeing what I can do with the style. And I've got a lot that I want to work on with yet. I don't think it's perfected quite the way I'd like to see it. But let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's video or found it useful, I invite you to give me a like, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and ring the bell for future notifications of videos that I'll put out. It's my goal to put out at least 2 per week, and I'm hoping you're finding them both enjoyable and useful. Thanks for being here. Bye now.